Hey guys, what's good? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Barbara, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this crochet braids. I'm super in love with the length. It's been long I did something this length, so I'm like really happy with how it looks like. Ooh. Anyway, I'm going to show you guys how I did it because I'm super in love, and yes, I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to have all the details for this hair in the description box below, so be sure to check it out. If you have any questions, definitely just send me a DM on Instagram or leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'm sure to reply you as soon as possible. My Instagram name is Barbara_Odense, so pretty much my username on YouTube, but with an underscore in between. So yes, that's basically it. If you guys want to see how I did this hairstyle, then definitely keep on watching.
Hey, please subscribe. Thank you.
Alright, so this is basically my braiding pattern. I have a side part here, which is basically 3 braids on each side. And then I have 1 braid at the back to end that side part. This braid right here is ending the side part. Then I have these right here. So yeah, that's basically for my braiding pattern. I'm basically just doing the individuals where I want to be able to part my hair or like put it up. So it's in the side part around the front, the side of my neck. I didn't do anything on the back because I usually don't put my hair up like that. So yeah, I didn't bother doing that. And then the rest of my hair is just braided all the way to the back. This is the hair that I'm going to be using today. I'm going to have all the details in the description box below, so be sure to check it out. The length, the link to buy it, the name, everything's going to be there, okay? So be sure to check it out. This is basically what it looks like. This is 1 pack of hair. I think this is 12 inches, 14 inches. I think this is 14 inches, but I'm not sure. As I said earlier, all the details will be in the description box below, so be sure to check it out. Yes, let's get started. Alright, so far I'm just doing regular crochet at the back because I'm just going to complete the back before I move on to the front. I've shown this like a ton of times on my channel, but I'm going to show it again. Crochet is easy. Take your crochet needle, make sure that it is open before you put it into your hair, because this closes like this, right? So make sure it's open, and then you just want to slide it underneath the braids. Take your crochet, make sure the loop is ready, and then you just put that in there, pull it through, and then just like that you secure it. So that's basically what I've been doing throughout my hair. This is how far I've gone, and this is 1 pack of hair. So I'm done with the back, and to make sure that I had enough hair before I started doing the back, I just set aside some hair for the front to make sure that I don't run out of hair, because I only have 7 packs. Usually I would use like 8 packs, but today I have only 7 packs, so I wanted to make sure that it was enough. Okay, so for the individuals, I already did 3 right here, as you can see. I'm going to show you guys how I'm doing it. So basically, again, take your crochet, make sure the loop is open, and take your crochet hook as well. Then you just want to slide, I'm just going to zoom in a bit, put it underneath the individual braids, and then just pull it through like that. And then I'm going to pull both of them through that loop, so my hair and the crochet will go through that loop. And then just secure it. So now this is what I have. I have my hair and the crochet hair. So for me to hide that, I'm just going to go ahead and twist it. So I'm not going to unravel this at all, but kind of unravel, but not necessarily fully unravel. Anyway, let me show you guys so you know what I'm talking about. So I'm basically just going to now take my hair and this, and then just start twisting it together. Does that make sense? So I just start twisting like that. So as I'm opening the twist, I'm putting my hair inside. It's just that simple, and then I'll twist till I like get to the end of where my hair is, and still twist a little bit further down just to make sure that it's secure. And then when I'm done, I'll hold that part and kind of just twirl it like this, and then you're good. You can't see my hair, it's all tucked in there. So I absolutely love this method because it's super easy. You don't even need to know how to twist. All you need to just do is unravel and like just put your hair in. There's no twisting technique to this. So super nice, super easy, super fast. So let's keep going. So far this is what I have. Super excited, it looks really good. Yay. So yes, that is basically it. This is how it turned out, and I decided to go ahead to style it like this, and I'm absolutely in love with it. Like, the length is perfect, guys, perfect. I used only 7 packs this time. Usually I would use 8 or 9 packs, usually closer to 9 packs, and my hair would just be full because I really like the full crochet. But I'm really loving the fact that I had only 7 packs to use this time, and I used 7 packs because it's not as full as I would usually have my crochet hair, but it is amazing. Like, I'm thinking about it, I'm like, why have I been using 9 packs? Like, just figure out how to fit in the 7, and it's just amazing. It's very, very functional. Like, literally, it's great if you're going to the gym. You can just put this hair in a bun. If you're going to work, like, you can style it. Like, it's super easy. I went to bed last night with this hair, and I just put it in like in the smallest perfect bun, and I was just so happy, like, because it's been long I had an actual bun, like, in a hairstyle. Like, usually my hair is also usually so big or so full and I can't put it in a bun, but this one I just put everything up, put a hair tie on it, and then I just put it in a bun, and it just stayed. I'm like, ah! The install itself, so I did the braiding pattern first, and I did that off camera, and I did the install. The braiding pattern took me about an hour 30 minutes or so, because I was watching a movie and talking and stopping. But I mean, braiding pattern aside, this hair took me about an hour to install. So that's with the crochet part, and also with the front we had to like twist and stuff. So it took me about an hour to do the install. So it's an hour just for the install, but if you're doing the for the braiding pattern as well, it's like an hour 30 minutes. So give or take, this hair takes in total less than 3 hours. Like, I would just say that, and I did it myself. So if someone is even doing it for you, most likely gonna be much faster. Yes, that is basically it. I'm so in love with this. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. If you guys have any questions, definitely ask me in the comment section below. Also, the details for this hair are going to be in the description box as usual, so be sure to check it out. If you have any questions or you're not sure, ask me in the comment section and I'll reply you as soon as possible. That's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment before you leave. Be sure to follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. My username is Barbara_Udenze on Instagram and TikTok. If you guys have any questions, don't forget to ask me in the comment section below, or you can also send me a DM on Instagram. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.